Sure, here's a 10-minute video script in English for your channel Auto Motor, including the word welcome naturally in the intro, and focused on Kawasaki, assuming you're covering the brand's legacy, innovation, and some key bikes. Let me know if you'd prefer a focus on one specific model. Welcome to Auto Motor, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we dive deep into one of the most iconic names in motorcycling history, Kawasaki. From raw power to race-proven performance, Kawasaki motorcycles have carved a legacy that's impossible to ignore. Kawasaki Heavy Industries started building motorcycles in the early 1960s. But it wasn't long before they began shaking up the industry. In 1969, the Kawasaki H1 Mach 3 was introduced, a two-stroke 500cc beast that quickly earned a reputation for being fast, loud, and a little wild. It was a statement. Kawasaki wasn't just making bikes, they were making adrenaline machines. By the 1970s, Kawasaki launched the legendary Z1, a 903cc four-cylinder machine that dominated the roads and helped define the superbike era. It was fast, reliable, and a symbol of Kawasaki's bold engineering. Fast forward to today, and Kawasaki's lineup is more impressive than ever. From aggressive street fighters to sophisticated tourers and championship-winning track bikes, there's a Kawasaki for every kind of rider. Let's talk about the Ninja series, arguably Kawasaki's most recognized line. The Ninja H2R, for example, is a track-only hyperbike that's supercharged and delivers over 300 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 300 horsepower on two wheels. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a rocket. Then there's the Ninja ZX-10R, built with input from Kawasaki's World Superbike team. With aerodynamic styling, a high-revving engine, and electronics fine-tuned for performance, it's no surprise that this machine dominates on the racetrack. But Kawasaki isn't just about speed. They've also created bikes like the Versys series, adventure touring machines that balance comfort and capability. Whether you're on a mountain pass or a long highway cruise, the Versys handles it all with ease. Let's not forget the retro charm of the Z900 Rupees. It mixes old-school design with modern technology, giving riders a classic look without compromising on performance. It's Kawasaki's way of paying tribute to their roots while still looking forward. Even for beginners, Kawasaki has options. The Ninja 400 is a perfect example, light, nimble, and beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough to keep you excited as your skills grow. It's an ideal entry point into the world of sport riding. Beyond the bikes themselves, Kawasaki is constantly pushing the limits of technology. From advanced traction control and ride modes to cornering apps and integrated smartphone connectivity, they're turning motorcycles into intelligent machines. Kawasaki's green identity also plays a part, not just in their signature lime green paint, but in their approach to sustainability. They've invested in hybrid motorcycle technology and are even exploring hydrogen-powered engines, showing they're serious about the future of mobility. So whether you're a speed junkie, a daily commuter, or an adventure seeker, Kawasaki offers something that connects with every rider's passion. Thanks for spending time with us here on Auto Motor. We hope you enjoyed this look into Kawasaki's world, a world fueled by power, precision, and pure motorcycling spirit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all things auto and motor. We'll see you next time. Ride safe and ride free. Want this translated into Urdu too, or should I write one focused on a specific Kawasaki model like the H2 or ZX-10R?